Rising gracefully above the ancient city of Jerusalem, the Al-Aqsa Mosque stands as a testament to centuries of faith, history, and architectural beauty. Revered as one of Islam's holiest sites, it has been a focal point for religious devotion, scholarly learning, and cultural exchange for over a millennium. The very name Al-Aqsa means the farthest mosque, a reference rooted in Islamic tradition, which holds that the Prophet Muhammad journeyed here from Mecca during the miraculous night journey, ascending from this sacred place into the heavens. The Al-Aqsa Mosque is not a single structure, but rather an entire complex, nestled within a larger area known as the Haram al-Sharif, or the Noble Sanctuary. Covering approximately 35 acres, this holy precinct is home not only to the mosque itself, but also to the iconic Dome of the Rock, ancient gates, fountains, and a series of smaller prayer halls and schools. The sweeping plaza is shaded by olive trees and framed by the impressive medieval walls of Jerusalem's Old City. Historical records trace the mosque's origins to the early 7th century during the Umayyad Caliphate. It was Caliph Abd al-Malik and his son, Al-Walid I, who oversaw the original construction of the mosque, seeking to establish a grand center of worship and learning in the heart of Jerusalem. Over the centuries, the mosque has been destroyed and rebuilt more than once, its stones bearing witness to earthquakes, wars, and the shifting tides of empires. Each era left its mark, resulting in a rich tapestry of architectural styles, from the classic Umayyad arches to the later additions by Ayyubid, Mamluk, and Ottoman rulers. Stepping into the Al-Aqsa Mosque, visitors are greeted by a vast prayer hall, its roof supported by rows of slender columns. The interior is adorned with intricate mosaics, marble panels, and gilded chandeliers, offering a sense of tranquility and reverence. The Qibla wall, facing toward Mecca, is marked by a beautifully crafted mihrab, guiding worshippers in prayer. Here, generations of scholars and worshippers have gathered, their footsteps echoing in the halls, their prayers woven into the very fabric of the building. Beyond its religious significance, Al-Aqsa has long served as a center for intellectual and cultural activity. Throughout the Islamic Golden Age, its courtyards echoed with the voices of philosophers, poets, and scientists, making it a beacon of enlightenment and learning. Manuscripts were copied and preserved, theological debates were held, and the mosque's libraries became repositories of priceless knowledge. Yet, Al-Aqsa's importance extends far beyond the Muslim world. For Jews, the Haram al-Sharif is the site of the ancient Temple Mount, the most sacred ground in Judaism. For Christians, Jerusalem is a city steeped in the narrative of Christ's life and resurrection. This interweaving of faiths has given the mosque and the city that surrounds it a unique place in the hearts and minds of people around the globe. Today, Al-Aqsa remains a living symbol of resilience and hope. Despite periods of conflict and tension, it continues to draw worshippers and visitors from across the world, each seeking connection, understanding, and peace. Its golden dome and graceful arches remind us of the enduring power of faith to inspire, heal, and unite. As the call to prayer rises above Jerusalem at dawn, the Al-Aqsa Mosque stands as it always has, silent, steadfast, a witness to history and a beacon for generations yet to come. In its stones, its stories, and its spirit, the mosque invites all who approach to reflect on the shared heritage of humanity and the timeless quest for meaning and belonging.